Hello all. In this video we shall review the USB Programmer VP812. This VP812 programmer can be used for programming AVR, Atmel 89 series ICs and even Philips 89V51RD chips. It has got a 40-pin zip socket for placing the target IC, and it has got a mini 5-pin USB connector for connecting to PC. It is supplied with a suitable USB cable. Connect the mini 5-pin USB cable to the board. This other end of the USB cable should go to your PC. As soon as you connect the USB cable, this power LED glows up. As such, VP812 doesn't require any external power source. This VP812 utilizes one prolific 2303HX IC for USB to serial communication, and we have to install the drivers for this prolific IC so that your Windows recognizes the VP812 hardware. Now Google for prolific 2303HX driver. Click on the first result. You will be taken up to the Prolific USA driver website. Scroll down to select the Windows driver installer setup program. Click download. You will get a zip file. Unzip the downloaded file. Open up the folder. You find the Prolific driver installer application. Double click to install the drivers. As soon as the drivers are installed, open up the device manager. Expand the ports, and under ports you can see the Prolific USB to serial COM port installed, and COM8 is allotted here. Now we are all set to program your AVR chip using the VP812. Now fire up the VP812 programmer software that is supplied along with the hardware. This program is similar to the WillPro software we used for 8051 programmer. To start with, you select the device, click on device. A separate window opens for selecting your device. We are going to use ATmega16L for this purpose. So under Atmel, you scroll down and select ATmega16L. Take care to select only ATmega16L and not ISP. Click OK to confirm. Now you can see the device type is selected as ATmega16L. Now click on Info. You will be presented with the device information window. There you see how to place your ATmega16 chip onto the zip socket. This is the position of the ATmega16 placement on the zip socket. Please take care to see that pin 1 is near the handle and the IC is properly placed. Now you can click on config button, and there you can edit the fuse bytes, high and low fuse bits. You can edit and program the fuse bytes. You should be careful while selecting these fuse bytes, otherwise you may spoil the ATmega16 chip. Now you have to load your hex file that you developed using Atmel Studio 6. Click on load and browse to the location where you have that hex file. Under the debug folder you have the hex file. Select the hex file, click open. Now the file is loaded successfully. To fuse this hex file onto your chip, there are two methods. One is a manual one, another one is the auto. Under manual you have several buttons you can see: erase, blank check, read, program. Just by clicking on these buttons, that particular task is done. Under auto, you can just select the tasks to be done and then click auto start so that the program is done automatically. Now under auto we are going to erase the chip, check for the blank, and then program, again verify. Now here this protect tab is for protecting the chip so that no others can read your chip. Now click auto start. Now you can see the progress. As per your selection, chip is erased first. After erase is completed, the blank check is done, and after that your program is done, and then verification is done. So as per your selection, all these tasks are done. Same way under manual also you can do separate programming. You can erase and then blank check and then program it. So you can see the program successful here. This is what happens when you click on each button. Now you click erase. While you click on program button, you can see the green LED, STA LED glowing, showing the status of the programmer. You can see the blinking of the green LED while clicking program. This VP812 programmer is so powerful and low cost programmer, and it supports a wide range of chips. Under device you can see the big list of ICs that is supported by VP812. It supports almost all Atmel ICs including AVR ICs. It even supports 89C51, 89C52 and Philips ICs, 93C46 E2 Prom ICs. And even it supports some microchip ICs also. So you can see this PIC 16F877A, 873 ICs that can be programmed in ISP mode. So it is a very powerful programmer and a low cost programmer. Thank you for watching.